one of the most important skill na dapat malaman ng isang lalaki is how to speak well. Because this will command respect and attention that you can use to influence, lead, and also seduce a woman. So kung hindi mo alam on how to speak like a masculine man, kailangan mong panoorin tong video na to. Here are 5 tips on how to speak effectively as a man to turn you from shy, uncertain, unsure to someone who commands respect and attention. Number 1, say your point straight. Wala nang cheche-boreche, wala nang kung ano-anong chapsuy. Sabihin mo yung point mo straight. O kumbaga, ito yung straight to the point. For example, o-order ka sa restaurant. Di mo na kailangan sabihin na, dahil mukhang masarap tong pagkain yung nandito sa section na to, gusto ko tong orderin. Okay lang ba? Alam mo, pwede ka namang umorder doon. Nang sasabihin mo na lang agad kung ano yung order mo. Kung ano yung pangalan ng order mo. Hindi mo na kailangan ng maraming filler words. Hindi mo na kailangan samahan ng mga kung ganun-ganun na mga bulaklak-bulaklak na salita. Meron ka ba nakitang commander o leader ng isang army na kapag tinuro niya yung kalaban, marami pa siyang sasabihin na background, mga butterfly effects? Di ba hindi naman niya nasasabihin na dahil sinapak niya yung kapatid ko at hindi siya sumusunod sa akin, kailangan siyang panain sa ulo. Di ba hindi naman? Ang sasabihin lang nila is attack, defend, we go back, Eagle One, mga ganun, mabilis lang. So if you want to command respect, be a commander. Use your words precisely. Use few words as possible. So kapag nakikipag-date ka, you don't need to explain yourself sa every words na sinasabi mo. Pag sinasabi mo, oy, ito, kain tayo dito. Gusto ko kumain dito. Punta tayo doon. Follow me. Mga ganun lang. Super quick. You don't need to explain yourself kung bakit mo sinasabi yon. Number 2, you need to slow down. Okay? Most of the guys is sobrang bilis magsalita because feeling nila is naboboard na yung kasama nila o yung kausap nila. Na sobrang, ang bilis kasi ganito yung nangyayari. Kapag hindi mo ito nakuha, ganyan, and ito yung nangyayari, tapos ganyan, ang bilis magsalita. So, I want you to slow down. Okay? You need to relax. Okay? Ang masculine energy is smooth, relaxed, chill lang. Cool lang tayo. Hindi tayo nagmamadali. Hindi tayo nakakaramdam ng nervyos, ganyan. Relax lang tayo. So, always try to talk slow. Wala ka sa flip-top battle, wala ka sa rap battle, so always try to breathe. Okay? Yun kasi yung minsan nakakalimutan natin. Nakakalimutan natin na huminga. Take pauses. Take deep breath. Okay? Wala kang hinahabol. Okay? Make them listen to you more by talking slow. Number 3, get rid of yung mga filler words na so, mga ganun. Yung pag nagsasalita ka, hinahabaan mo yung mga huling sentences mo, you need to remove that one. So, one trick na pwede mong gawin in order for you to remove that kind of filler words is by talking slow. Yung tip number 2 natin. Kasi kapag sobrang bilis mo magsalita, hindi nakakahabol yung utak mo sa bibig mo. So, always try to talk slow. Okay? Talk slow para nakakahabol yung isip mo sa bibig mo. Kasi alam ko sobrang bilis. Kahit ako, sobrang bilis ang isip ko na hindi na nakakip up yung gusto kong sabihin sa bibig ko. So, ang number 1 trick doon, talk slow. Okay? And then, kapag na mental block ka talaga, you can just take a pause. Hindi mo na kailangan you don't need to do that. Just take a pause. Huwag kang magsalita until maka-came up ka ulit sa idea. Number 4, when making a statement, end it with a low tone. Mababang tono. Kapag statement yung sinasabi mo, hindi question kapag statement yung sinasabi mo, always end it with a low tone. So, paano ba yon? For example, ganito, meron kang gustong kainan na restaurant. Okay, tapos ganito mo siya sasabihin, gusto ko kumain dito. Now, ang importance dito is yung end it with a low tone. Okay, pag kasi nag-e-end ka into high tone, yung mataas yung tone mo, kapag ina-end mo yung sentence mo, yung mga statements mo, then you are not being certain. Kumbaga kasi patanong gusto ko kumain dito? So, hindi ka sure pa high tone yung end ng sentence mo kahit dapat statement siya. High tone lang dapat yung end ng sentence mo kapag patanong yung question. Pero kapag statement mo, for example, Gusto ko yung Nike shoes na to. Mababa. Gusto ko yung Nike shoes na to. You are commanding. You are being certain na gusto mo talaga to. You are never in doubt. Compare mo sa, gusto ko yung Nike shoes na to. 'Di ba? Parang, Parang may doubt ka pa. You're not being certain. You're not being assertive. So that's why always try to end your sentences with a low tone. Yun, parang ginawa ko. Ulitin natin with a high tone. Always end your sentences with a high tone. Sobrang halata no high tone. And lastly, try to speak with your hands. Okay? Because with your hands, this commands attention and respect plus trust. Kasi when you are using your hands, mas na-engage mo yung tao. Kaya kung papansin nyo yung mga video ko, I always try to have my hands shown. Palagi kong pinapakita yung kamay ko. Palagi kong sinasabay sa pagsasalita ko. Because this will maintain their attention. Ginawa ko lahat ng tips, yung last 4 tips na sinabi ko. Plus, sinamahan nyo pa ng hand gestures. You don't need to worry about people getting bored about you. Kasi, number 1, nakaught mo na yung attention nila. And number 2, mas mataas na yung magiging trust nila sa'yo. Kasi psychology says, according sa mga studies from psychologists and from the speaking gods, from the talking gods, sa mga nagsispeak sa mga TED Talks, mga ganyan. If you show your hands, people will trust you more. Kasi noong unang panahon, once upon a time, pinapakita mo yung kamay mo, nakikipag-handshake ka, showing na wala kang hawak na weapons. Na hindi ako nagsisinungaling sa'yo, wala akong tinatago, wala akong gagawing masama sa'yo if I show you my hands. Always try to incorporate hand gestures. Kahit makikipag-usap ka lang sa tao, di ba? Kaya kahit pakita mo lang talaga yung kamay mo, huwag kang makikipag-usap sa tao na nakabulsa ka. Because in that way, people subconsciously think na meron kang tinatago, na meron kang binabalak na masama. Pero if you remove your hands from your pocket at pinapakita mo to sa kanila, mawawala subconsciously yung defense mode nila. So yun lang. Hopefully this video helps you a lot on how to speak like a masculine man. Again, this will take practice. Ang maganda lang dito is aware ka kung paano ka magsalita. So ang gawin mo, i-record mo yung sarili mo, panoorin mo kung paano ka magsalita. With that one, magkakaroon ka ng awareness kung ano yung nagagawang mo mali. Plus, you will have feedback agad na pwede mo makorek agad yung mistakes mo. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Marami pa akong ilalabas about men's personal development or men's personal improvement, about masculinity, about confidence, fitness, anything about masculinity, kasama na dating dito. Mag-i-release ako ng video every week. So hit that like and subscribe button and see you again soon. Let's go!